Hi guys. Today we'll explain how to check transaction history in Binance. This process is simple and easy. The only thing is open your Binance application. Once it will be open, take a look on the left top. You can see a Binance icon, click on it. And here, you will see a lot of options. But from these, you have to tap on the option, More Services. Now in order to check the transactions history, scroll down a bit. And here is the option of Buy Crypto. Just click on it. In this window, you can also buy and sell your crypto. But in order to check the transaction history, tap on this icon which is on the right top. And here, you will see all available options. Here, you will check all the transaction histories, means if you buy crypto or sell, or even if you transfer withdrawals or deposit your crypto to your Binance account, then all the transactions will be shown here. And also on that transaction, you can apply a filter. By clicking on the option filter, you can select date. Plus, you can check the status of successful, processing, or failed. Once you select, just click on the option confirm. Then the transactions will be shown here, because I have not did any transaction. So that's why it's empty. And it was the way by which you can check transaction history in Binance.